Good day, ma'am. I'm John Louie Itliong from 3rd year Basic Criminology, Block 3. And I will discuss to you the lesson 2, which is fire extinguishers. Fire extinguisher is an active firefighting equipment that is used to put out or control minor flames, usually in an emergency. A fire extinguisher consists of a handheld cylindrical pressure vessel containing an agent that can be discharged to extinguish a fire. There are different types of fire extinguisher which contain several extinguishing agents. These are water extinguishing agents. Water is probably physical characteristic make in a good firefighter on all three sides of the fire triangle. There are types of water firefighting. First is wet water, thick water, and rapid or slippery water. For foam extinguishing agents, foam is a covering of bubbles that helps to put out fires by covering them. Water and a foam-making chemical are mixed to create the bubbles. Foam extinguishers are extended for Class B fires. And there are types of foam extinguisher such as chemical foam and mechanical foam. In carbon dioxide extinguishing agents, carbon dioxide has been allowed for use within the building in areas that include internal combustion or gas turbine, propulsion machinery, as well as other areas. And dry chemical extinguishing agents. Chemical extinguishing agents in powder form are known as dry chemical extinguishing agents. Dry powders, on the other hand, are only for flammable metals fires and should not be confused with this. Dry powder. This fire extinguisher is made composed of powder or granular particles and is designed to put out Class D flammable metal flames. Sodium chloride, graphite, and copper are common dry powder agents. And I give you example scenario. In this case of fire, panic may set in and you may try to concentrate on extinguishing the first fire before it grows too big to control. Most likely, with whatever portable fire extinguisher you have on hand. You may make matters worse by just using the wrong type of fire extinguisher. Massive flashes and massive flames may erupt, leaving you burnt or electrocuted. And I will discuss the parts of the fire extinguisher. First, the tanks are made of metal. They contain the extinguishing agent and the propellant. They can be manufactured by extrusion or by calendering, deep drawing, and welding. Next is valve. Regulates the extinguishing agent's flow. It is composed of a body, a handle to lift the fire extinguisher, a locking pin, a release lever, and a deep tube. In stored pressure fire extinguisher, we can also find a pressure gauge or pressure indicator, and the hose allows to direct the flow of the extinguishing agent. It is a flexible pipe. It can only be found on fire extinguishers that are heavier than 3 kg. I learned a lot about fire extinguishers, their classifications, and when they should be used, as well as what kind of extinguishers should be used, and how to utilize them in situations when there is a risk of fire. And as a law enforcement officer, I use it if there is a fire because I know how to put it out to preserve lives and property. That's all for today. Thank you.